So you see, I'm going to show you how easy tzatziki is. Oh my God. All right. So you take the yogurt using full-fat yogurt. There's nothing worse than runny tzatziki. And this is the amount for one of these tubs. Boop. That's it. I had grated my cucumber and salted it because you have to, it needs to get rid of all of the liquid. So now we want to squeeze all of that liquid out. And I normally use red wine vinegar. And this is my old one. So I get my vinegar. I go to the chef store still and I get my vinegar in a big thing. This is from the grocery store. They sell this for like $2, this little tiny thing. At the chef store, I go and get a bag that's about a pound. And I wash it, I dry it well, and I freeze it. And that's what I've been using on my herbs. Basil, I wash, I dry, I grind it up with olive oil and put it in the ice cube tray. And mint, the same thing as dill. I kind of take the stems off and I freeze it. You have to put a little bit more because it does lose a little bit, but it makes it so much easier, you know, because they don't last long and they're super expensive at the grocery store. So that's my little hack with the herbs. And now we squeeze here. Okay, so my tzatziki, I usually use red wine vinegar, as I was telling you. But if you want, I can separate it and do one with apple cider vinegar. I don't know. Apple cider vinegar might be slightly more healthy, but it only has 2 tablespoons for the whole thing. So, okay, up. So this is the most important part right now. Okay, then we put garlic, of course. Kathy, help her. Come here, please. All I want you to do is squeeze the.
Squeeze that?
Yeah.
I can do that.
How garlicky do you guys like your tzatziki? You like garlic? Right there. Okay. Squeeze it and then do like that. Cut it kind of off. All right, and then 2 tablespoons of vinegar. There you go, put some more in. I'll use it just so you see. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I have 2. It's all the same olive oil, but this is unfiltered, as I like to say, it's with the pulp, because olive oil is actually olive juice. That's why it's so important that it's cold pressed, because it's a fruit, right? And you don't keep the healthy qualities if you press it with heat. The big companies do press it with heat. You get 1/3 more olive oil from the olives if you use heat on it, but it ruins it. So I import this from Greece directly, from one slope, a single estate, exactly the way it should be. Olive oil is supposed to be. And I could talk 2 hours about olive oil, but I won't. So I like to use this one. So the unfiltered is kind of special. Like I say, it has the pulp. So I use it in anything that's raw, like salads or dips. And this is the same. It's just been filtered about 10 times. This does have sediment at the bottom, which is pieces of the olives. So what I do is I count, because I don't want to dirty the tablespoon. And more is better. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 more for good measure. There you go. Alrighty, and salt, of course. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Come on, Sue. Okay, here, use my little spatula. I brought these. I am happy to do one with some mint and the other one with dill if you guys want to taste the difference. Or you don't have to put any herbs in it. I kind of like, If you're eating it with meat, I like the mint more, and if you're using it with vegetables, I'll put the dill. But each person can do whatever you see. You see, that took like 5 minutes. It's fast. It's fast and easy. I'm just going to put a little bit on top. Okay. That's good. Yeah. Bravo! Or you want to keep it on top?
And mix it up in there?
Yeah. We don't want too much. That's enough. All right, and then I'm going to do the next one with mint. Oops. I think in Turkey they use more mint.
Come up and grab it.
Can you do this one too?
Yeah.
Hold on.